These are the ingredients in making kimchi fried rice. First is kimchi. Second, the toasted sesame seed. 2 cups of leftover rice or plain rice. 1 onion leeks. 3 cloves garlic. 1 pieces white onion. Ground pepper. Salt. 2 tablespoons olive oil or oil. And 1 tablespoon soy sauce. And also sunny side up for toppings. Before you start cooking, check if the pan is already hot. Then put the oil in the pan. Stir it to cover the entire pan. Saute the garlic and add onion. Stir it until the garlic and onion turns light brown. Then add the leftover rice or a plain cooked rice, but it's the best if you use the leftover cooked rice. Cook it in a high heat, then gently crush the rice, which will help fry the rice to avoid steaming on the pan and sticking together. Add the soy sauce and stir it to evenly distribute the soy sauce in the rice. Then add the kimchi and add the dash of pepper and salt as needed only. And lastly, add the onion leeks and continue to stir fry. Then transfer it in a serving bowl or clean plate for presentation or for serving.